So guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. It is another delicious yummy recipe. If you want to see how I made this spicy roasted plantain and turkey, please stay tuned. For this recipe, I'm using cayenne pepper, I'm using paprika, thyme, fresh turkey wings, habanero pepper and garlic, maggi, salt, sunflower oil, plantain. So now guys, I'm going to just give my turkey a mark. I'm not cutting it, I'm just trying to mark it a bit. I am also going to peel at the back of my plantain. Now after giving it a rinse, I am also going to slice it a bit. Now give it a bit of a mark. So now I'm going to pound my habanero pepper and my garlic. So guys, I'm going to add sunflower oil. I'm going to add cayenne pepper. I'm going to add paprika. I will add 3 teaspoons of paprika just for that red shiny color. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add thyme. I'm going to add 2 maggi. And I'm going to mix everything together. I'll add a bit of oil. So now it is time for me to massage it on the turkey. So I'm just gonna take some of it and just rub it very well on the meat. Make sure that it is well coated. I'll take a bit of it. Now you want to rub it very well. You want it to go in very, very well. And I'm going to place it like that. I'm also going to rub it on the plantain. 3 aside for my kids because I don't know if they will handle the chili. So I'm going to add paprika. It's not spicy, okay, just to give it that a bit of color for them. And then I'll add a bit of oil. I'll add thyme, salt. I'll add half maggi. I'm not adding the whole lot, okay, half of the maggi, and then I'll massage it for now. Place this one on a different tray. So I'm going to cover them like that and let them sit on top of here for 20 to 30 minutes. And while I'm waiting for them to sit for a bit, I am going to put my oven on. I'm going to leave my oven at 160 degrees, okay? So guys, after 20 to 30 minutes, I am going to put this in the oven. So guys, it is now in the oven and we are going to cook this for about 30 to 40 minutes in the oven, okay? So guys, our turkey and plantain are ready. I actually left this for about an hour just to make sure that it cooks through properly. And guys, it is looking absolutely delicious. Like, it is looking so good and smelling so good. So yes guys, we are done with this recipe. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.